This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find the Settings category that says RAM and storage space, open its page, then go for the RAM section on top of the page, turn on the extended RAM toggle. And now, in order for those changes to be applied and in order for the additional random access memory gigabytes to take effect, you will need to restart the device. And after your system gets rebooted, you'll get additional 4 gigabytes of virtual random access memory. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.